YouTube is trying to monetize small creators right now. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sugar. Today we are going to talk about how to grow your YouTube channel to become monetized as a small creator. Now, first things first, we're going to talk about title, tags, and thumbnail. These are super crucial to your growth on YouTube and getting your videos seen or found. They need to be clickable and searchable. So let's talk about the first two T's, titles and thumbnails. These are the main components that we need to worry about. Thumbnails. Now when it comes to thumbnails, it needs to be something that a person sees and it needs to catch their attention. For those of you that need help with creating your thumbnails, I suggest you download Canva on your phone or your computer. It's super easy to use. They have various free templates that you can play around with and make them to your liking. Just type in YouTube thumbnails, then copy and paste your content. It's just a plug and play. I also suggest that you download Pinterest to get cute ideas for your thumbnails or however you want them to look like, because there are a plethora of ways that you can get your thumbnails to look how you want them to look. Or you can go on Fiverr, Fiverr, and you can have someone create them for you, but you will have to pay like a certain price. Now the key to having a great thumbnail is to take quality pictures. You cannot have a blurry picture or an out of focus picture or a picture that doesn't have great lighting. It needs to be quality, like how I have the lights right now. It needs to be quality. And when you're doing your videos, pose, point, something like that, just to get your thumbnail to be more clickable for the viewer. Now let's move on to titles. Title is your main attraction. It's the second thing that will be seen by a viewer. If they don't click on it, your title does not work. Now I've seen titles that were very drama filled, and that's cool and all, but you also don't want to do that all the time. It can be clickbait worthy too, but you don't want to do that all the time. It just needs to be clickable, or whatever you have going on in your video, add it to your title to capture the viewer's attention. Okay, now let's move on to tags. Now when people mention tags, you're probably thinking hashtags. No, these are not hashtags. These are tags that typically tell the viewer or tell the algorithm what your video is about. So for example, if you have a video about losing weight, you would put in the tag area of the YouTube studio how to lose weight, what to do to lose weight, things like that. Like I said, you would put those words in the tag section of the YouTube studio, and I'll show on the screen right here where the YouTube studio is. So yeah, these are the keywords that are essential to your video getting recognized, as well as the algorithm pushing your videos to your target audience. Hooks. Now let's talk about hooks. Make sure you have a hook to capture the viewer. Once you get them with the hook, you want to keep the retention for your video. Now when doing this, you have to realize that you have to build a connection with your viewer, your people. These are how they're going to stay on your channel and keep watching you. People will not watch your video if you are not being relatable or showing your personality. You can't just be bland. Like, you have to show some type of personality. You cannot be, I don't know how to describe it, but you can't be fake. You can't fake it. You have to be real with your viewers. Like, you have to be real. You cannot be fake. Otherwise, they will not watch you. Don't try to act like something other than yourself. Be yourself. Be authentic. That is what people mean when they say be authentic. Be yourself, please. YouTube is monetizing small creators because the creators are getting on here and getting their viewers, connecting with them and engaging with them. Engage with your community by asking them questions in the comments or even in your video. And make sure you respond to the comments. That way your viewers know that you are actually paying attention to the people that are giving you those views and that recognition that you've been wanting. Stay away from the people who do the follow for follow, the sub for subs. That does not really help you. I mean, it does in a way, but then it does not. Like, it's not really going to help you, because some people like to unsubscribe and unfollow you. I don't like that, and I suggest you not to do that. I mean, it's just not going to help. So you have to find your people that are going to stay with you and stick with you. And do not go under other people's channel and put follow for follow, sub for sub, or follow my page. That is not how that works. That looks very disrespectful to the person who's gotten all of that work or did all that work to get those followers and subscribers, and you going on their page and writing that, yeah, it looks disrespectful. You wouldn't want anybody to steal your people, basically. So that's when it comes to, you have to find your people. Now, in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and I believe it's like 3 videos uploaded. I think it changed to where it's either 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 500 subscribers, 3 video uploads, and 3,000 watch hours. So either one of those you can try to hit to become monetized on YouTube. I've been on and off YouTube since 2013, so a lot has changed. So I'm going to start back showing up for my channel, and also for those who need help with growing and trying to get monetized with these tips, because I want everybody to win. I want everyone to get to the YouTube bag, because YouTube is trying to monetize small creators right now. We talked about how to grow your YouTube channel to become monetized as a small creator in 2025, and the 3 T's: titles, tags, and thumbnails. I want us all to win and get to this YouTube bag, because there's money to be made right now. We cannot procrastinate. We cannot have any excuses. Please leave a thumbs up for this video and comment down below if this helps you, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.